Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma ne Sngi habai keren bat Jingdkoh kubor hadin balakut ka kabinet ulayatu ba Kajala kalakiu habai dei bat ke Jing Pyntreikam ya ka Skhim shispa Sngi ha Kajala hi berokawai ulaong ba hagini kisnem ke baladep ka sorkar pedeng kalamang pisa tang news pa klur tengka hanrai menta ka sorkar kalamang hadu khanrius pa klur na ka benta ka Skhim shispa Sngi kani ka pau bak sorkar jela ka Pyntreikam hok ya kani ka Skhim na kaliang menteri rangba ula ku buru maka don ke Jingdkoh Hangne Hangtai habai dei bat ke Jing Pyntreikam ya kani ka Skhim hanrei na kaliang jong ka sorkar kanam ailat yakum kini ki jingjia bakin yaijia.
In fact, there is a lot of accountability, and that's why you're finding that Lokayukta is coming in. That's why you're finding that there are court cases going on. We must understand that this is a massive program, and there are many VECs that are involved. So yes, there may be issues at about 5, 10% to 15% of the VECs must be having this problem, but that is not the general trend throughout the state. In general, you are seeing that a lot of work, as I was mentioning, in the last 3 years, 4 years, we have jumped up today from a 700 crore budget to a 1600 crore budget. Government of India doesn't do it if the work progress is not going the right way. Government of India will not release the funds if there is some kind of wrongdoings that are going on there. So obviously, depending on the work that Government of India is seeing, they are satisfied. And today, Meghalaya is at the top 3 level. The Assam MGNREGS budget is at 2,000 crores. So Assam is about 10 times bigger than us, and we are 1,600 crores. So we're one of the biggest performers for MGNREGS in the last 3 years, and this work has happened because of the hard work of the officials, the BDOs, and the VECs. And yes, you're right, there could be some groups and some VECs that there could be problems in them, but that is not the general trend. And whenever we find that there are some issues like that, immediate steps are taken, and social auditing is taking place at all levels. So work is happening, but absolutely right. Everything is not 100% perfect. There will be 5-10% problems, but whenever it comes up, we take steps to rectify them.